Good morning, students. We had been discussing the chapter Tanzin. We had discussed how Tanzin had joined the court of Akbar and other courtiers had grown jealous of Tanzin. They went to the king, Emperor Akbar, and they told him that Tanzin has to sing Raga Deepak in order to prove that he is a good singer. Now Tansen is a good singer, obviously he can sing Raga Deepak, but he is afraid because one who sings Raga Deepak will be burnt into ashes. And he goes home, he says to Emperor Akbar that he needs some time. He goes home and he decides what should he do, whether he should Raga Deepak and how he should sing it. Then his wife suggests him, he gets the idea that if Raga Meg is also sung at the same time. Raga Deepak is a rag which produces heat. Similarly, Raga Meg is a raga which produces brings rain. Then he thinks that if his daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupavati can sing Raga Meg at the same time, then the heat that is produced by Raga Deepak will be cooled down by Raga Meg. And then he starts training to his daughter and her friend. He teaches them for 2 long weeks. Then finally he is ready for singing. Now he thinks that hopefully if the hit is produced, when he will complete the singing of Raga Deepak, at the time Raga Meg will be started by his daughter and her friend, and which will cool everything. Now we'll continue. The legend goes that on the appointed day, the whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Raga Deepak. Now, the meaning of the word legend it's a historical story, but it doesn't have any proof. Now, according to the legend, according to the traditional story, on that very day, on the appointed day in which it was fixed that Tansen would be singing Raga Deepak, he sings and the whole town is assembled. They are gathered to hear him singing. When he began to sing, the air became warm. We all know that as Raga Deepak is sung properly, it produces heat and the entire air became warm. Soon people in the audience were bathed in perspiration. The audience, they started sweating. Perspiration means sweat. They started sweating because of the heat produced. The leaves on the trees dried up and fell to the ground. Now, the leaves on the trees, because of heat, they started falling on the ground. As the music continued, birds fell dead because of the heat, and the water in the rivers began to boil. Because as the music is continuing, as Tansen is continuing singing Raga Deepak, the heat is increasing, and birds fell dead. Birds died because of this heat, and the water in the rivers began to boil. People cried out in terror as flames shot up out of nowhere and lighted the lamps. Now, people started crying in terror. In terror means in fear, because flames shot up out of nowhere, because there were flames. Because we all know that if Raga Deepak is sung properly, it will produce heat, it will also burn people. But the main motive of other courtiers of making Tansen sing this kind of Raga Deepak, was to kill him, because they wanted to get rid of Tansen. They didn't want the favoritism that Akbar did to Tansen. At once Saraswati and Rupavati began to sing Raga Meg. The sky clouded over and the rain came down. Now when it was very much hot, when lamps were lighting itself, Saraswati and Rupavati, as they have decided before, as they have practiced, they started singing Raga Meg. And as a result of that the sky was clouded and it brought rain. Tansen was saved. The story goes that he was very ill after this, and Akbar was sorry that he had caused him so much suffering. Now, because of that rain, everything was cooled down. Tansen was also saved, and Tansen was very happy. But according to the story, Tansen was ill after that because of the heat that was produced before, and Akbar was sorry. Akbar regretted that he had caused Tansen so much suffering and made him Raga Deepak. Akbar failed to understand the evil plan, the planning and plotting of other courtiers. He punished Tansen's enemies. When Tansen got well, the entire city rejoiced. Now, Akbar punished Tansen's enemies, those who have made him sung Raga Deepak at the cost of his life. And when Tansen got well, the entire city rejoiced. Rejoice means they celebrated, they were happy, they showed their joy and delight, their happiness. Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till 1585 when he died. Now, Tansen remained Akbar's court singer. He was in its court. He joined the court in 1556 and he stayed there till 1585 when he died. And he composed several new ragas. He also composed several new ragas when he was in the court. Tansen's tomb is in Gwalior. It is a place of pilgrimage for musicians. Tomb is a monument built above the place where the body is buried. And Tansen's tomb is in Gwalior, and it is a place of pilgrimage. Pilgrimage means a journey to a religious place. For example, we go to temple and renowned temples, so it is a place of pilgrimage. It is like a pilgrimage for musicians. The great musicians, they go to Tansen's tomb in order to pay him respect. So here we come to the end of the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter well.